Right now, thousands of people are earning money online without a 9 to 5 job. And the best part? You can too. In this video, I'll show you 20 proven ways to make money online, whether you have skills, products, or just your time. Stay till the end because the last few ideas are pure gold. Before we start, if this is your first time seeing this channel, then you are welcome. Take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon and activate all notifications so you don't miss a thing. Your support is highly appreciated as we grow together. Thank you. Let's dive right in. 1. Affiliate marketing. You don't need to create a product, just promote someone else's and earn a commission for every sale. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Digistore24 make it super easy to start. 2. Publish an ebook. Got knowledge or stories? Self-publish an ebook on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and earn passive income every time someone downloads your book. 3. Develop websites. If you can design, code, or even use WordPress templates, you can build websites for small businesses and get paid hundreds or even thousands per project. 4. Freelance online. Offer your skills on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Whether it's writing, design, or video editing, someone out there needs what you can do. 5. Rental income. List your spare room, car, or equipment on platforms like Airbnb or Turo. You'll earn passive income without even leaving your home. 6. Create a business website. Build your own business site to sell services, showcase products, or share expertise. A website is your online shop front. It builds trust and brings clients to you. 7. Drive for Uber or Bolt. If you have a car, this is one of the fastest ways to earn. You control your schedule, your hours, and how much you make. 8. Sell digital products, eBooks, templates, presets, or guides. Once created, they can sell forever. Websites like Gumroad or Etsy make selling easy. 9. Start a blog. Share what you know, build an audience, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Blogging is still powerful in 2025. 10. Become a tutor. Teach what you know. From math to music, platforms like Preply and Tutor.com pay you to share your knowledge. 11. Create online courses. Turn your expertise into a course on Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. One great course can make you thousands over time. 12. Sell photography. If you love taking photos, upload them to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pexels and earn every time someone downloads your image. 13. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs. Websites like Redbubble or Teespring handle printing and shipping. You earn per sale. 14. Answer online surveys. It won't make you rich, but it's an easy start. Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Survey Junkie pay you for sharing opinions. 15. Create an app. If you can solve a problem with an app, you can build it yourself or hire a freelancer. Monetize through ads or premium versions. 16. Sell your artwork. Turn your art into income. Sell prints or digital versions on Etsy, Instagram, or ArtStation. 17. Start an online store. Use Shopify or WooCommerce to sell your own products. With marketing and consistency, this can grow into a full-time business. 18. Start dropshipping. No inventory needed. You list products and suppliers ship them directly to your customers. Focus on marketing and traffic. 19. Make money from crafts. If you're good with your hands, create handmade jewelry, candles, or decor and sell them on Etsy or social media. 20. Pet sitting and dog walking. Love animals. Apps like Rover connect you with pet owners who need care for their dogs or cats, and you get paid for spending time with them. There's no shortage of ways to make money online. You just have to start. Pick one or two ideas, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Remember, the internet rewards action, not perfection. If you found this video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this right now.